Force Base. And it's kind of fascinating. They have a airport terminal here, and you can fly out of here commercial, but you're essentially using the same exact runway that the U.S. Air Force uses for their tankers. Look at that. That's a Boeing 707 essentially converted into a flying gas station. You can tell there's a lot of little queues. It's KC-135, I believe, is the military designation for that thing. It's awesome. I don't know if that one's just going into storage and being mothballed. I don't think they use them anymore. I haven't seen one in the air over Manchester or New Hampshire in a few years. Back in the day, you'd see that plane or some of its sister ships flying over water country, just constantly flying around and doing patrols, waiting for one of our, any sort of situation where something needs to get refueled, which is wild. Anyway, there's a new construction project happening over here, and I find it fascinating. I'm gonna drive past it. Alright, so check this out. I don't know what they're putting up here. Is this also the National Guard or the Air Force? I don't know. But you look at the size of this building, and then you look at the thickness of the concrete walls. It's really wild. We take for granted how much engineering and thought process goes into just even making a building of this size. All of the specs and parameters, the amount of weight that this building is going to need to support. There's the moon. They've got these beams bolted down as a support system for those walls as they fuse everything together, and I'm assuming there's going to be I-beams for an inner skeleton within that building. All the inner structure is yet to be even started. Isn't that wild? Look how razor thin they look. It's the size, of course, that's making them look thin, but even still, it's wild. Look at that.